star. Come to the top of the car. You don't abide by the law. You don't know what I done saw. Can't live without it. I keep it still for the wall. Checks I deposit. Money just stick with the boy.
Lot of model bitches check for me. Nigga don't check for me unless you got checks for me. I kept a split like a hobo, no checking me. Way back when D-Lo had the spot and trust you. So many hoes had to get up, I said to me. She left her body home and brought her net to me. I did a walk, through that shit, the jet to me. Y'all niggas show price less than my trophy. One of my arms worth a ticket. Watch so much that a car came with it. Back in the day, I used to walk with no mask on. Shit on my wrist, I would've killed the whole house full. Then I went to school high, I ain't go to class though. I was with the OGs, learning about the glass though. Caught me with a deuce 5, I'ma keep my ass, bro. Break yourself, leave his brains on the dash, bro. I'm with Sid and Lil Baby, yeah. We got 4 choppers that's full. Way before rapping, on God, I was trapping. Still get my Glock and LaCour. I got my cake from Osama Bin Laden. Lil' nigga, he signed this shit. I'm pro a gang, if you use from my chain, and a nigga gon' die in this beat. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, wagon, y'all nigga doing that big capture. I ain't with the finish shit, close thing, y'all get into a handshake and the beat clap. Yo, mama gon' have to make a GoFundMe. Y'all niggas keep doing that sneak jab. Gucci had to kill the whole woods just to make Young Savage this motherfucking meat jack. To the top of the...
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is never thin. In and out, arguing, trifling, difficult, baby more. I don't know why you love me, yeah. You got it bad for me, babe. I don't so glad that I can have this, baby. Nobody else true. Nobody else made this move. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, The right amount of love, right amount of trust, right amount of dick, right amount of slapping me up. Think that I'm going to fit. Right amount of love.
Hey y'all, it is the nighttime, and in this portion of the video, I'm going to be doing my nighttime skincare routine. I did do my nails, y'all. Let me show y'all. This hand look really good. Some of them messed up, like it's not getting, but it's okay. I'm gonna redo these tomorrow, but they look really good. They don't quite match my toes. This is a darker pink, but I think I did good for that. I did this by myself, or like myself. But let's go ahead and get into the skincare, y'all. I'm gonna first be using this, and then we're gonna go ahead and get into the other products. But right now, I'm gonna wash my hands first. I don't know why I'm whispering. It's because it's nighttime and I'm very mellow, but I'm going to wash my hands first because I gotta make sure I'm clean, because I only did body care in the shower. So I told myself that at nighttime I'm gonna separate body care, my neck down, from my skincare, because I usually would do full body in the shower. And I just really want to focus on my body. Like if I want to do wash up, exfoliate, on the bam, yeah, so I'm just working it out. So I'm separating like skincare, teeth care, and all that. So I'm actually gonna brush my teeth first, y'all, and then I'm gonna come back, and then we're gonna get started with the skincare, so I'll be right back.
Keep tripping, I don't want your man though. You a fan hoe. Little bitch place you up out your spot. I heard you was fucking in the band though. I'm just saying though. I done heard about you, bitch, you ain't low. They think keep close and he gets that shit like duh. You on there hoe. No duh, bunny, all honey. I'ma take that dick, don't run from me. These days can't get no love from me. He addicted like I drugs on me. When we done, might fuck your home. Hit him one time, he ain't heard from me. Say I'm ice cold, put a fur on. Might have a bitch, but not like me. Y'all know damn hoe like me. That fuck it up like me. That sex souls like me. Got him begging on his knees, bitch. Y'all know damn hoe. Get your buzz up, I run it up, I bet I do it again. That sound change like this, change like this, 100,000 on my wrist, really on this. That sound change like this, change like this, 100,000 on my wrist, really on this. LV my carrier, Marlboro on my interior, flying inside a lyric too. Black truck, know it's bulletproof. Don't approach me, bitch. Who is you? I'm a starter, bitch. I bench you. You the same chick, ain't nothing new. Y'all in the dark, stop playing home like me. That fuck it up like me. That sex souls like me. Got him begging on his feet. Man, you don't know then, ho. Stop playing, ho. Keep tripping, I don't want your man, though. You a fan, ho. Little bitch place you up out your spot. I heard you was fucking in the band, though. I'm just saying, though. I done heard about you, bitch, you ain't low. They still keep calls, so they get that shit like duh. You don't know then, ho. No duh, boy, I need all honey. I'ma take that dick, don't run from me. These days can't get no love from me. He addicted, like I drugs on me. When we done, might fuck your home. Hit him one time, he ain't heard from. Say I'm ice cold, put a fur on. Might have a bitch, but nothing like that. You know then, ho. Like me, that fuck it up like me. That's that sounds like me. Got him begging on his knees, then you know then, ho. A 10, a face make him spin. Get your fuzz up, I run it up, and I bet I do it again.
Hey y'all, I just got done doing some self-care, period, some self-care stuff. Y'all, so basically, hopefully y'all can hear and see me, and if it's weird, I'm so sorry. These keep falling down, y'all, because they so slippery, but I got them from the dollar store. But basically it's this, y'all, and it is a soothing under eye mask. It's pink pineapple and grapefruit, and they say it's time to let go of those designer eye bags and allow those soothing gel patches work their magic. Let the effects of pink pineapple and grapefruit minimize any puffiness while hydrating the delicate skin under the eyes, period. So this feels so good, y'all. At first it was kind of tingling, like I felt like it was gonna hurt, but right now it feel good. I think I just need to press it in so it could grip on my skin. Oh yeah, Keyshana, you was not pressing, sis. Press it in, girl. But this is giving self-care, y'all, so I'm so excited and grateful that I got this. They did have another one, so I think I'm gonna def go back and do this with y'all. I did just want to, like, because I think, y'all, I'm just learning so much about filming as well as giving myself time in between to do for myself, you know, or have time to, you know, indulge in the moment with myself versus, you know, picking up the camera to film, you know, like making sure that I'm having moments where I'm indulging in personal self-care time, but also, you feel me, sharing that with y'all, period. But yeah, I'm just chilling with my scarf on, y'all. I'm finna take these off right now because it has definitely been 3 to 5 minutes because it's my first time using these. I'm not trying to OD like, okay, Key, you could just leave it on for 10, but they feel really good and hydrated, so let me just go ahead and take it off with y'all. I'm trying to look to see if something under there, and it did say afterwards you could just go ahead and throw it out. So that's how it look, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the camera around so I can see what it's looking like, period. But it feel really good and hydrated, y'all. I just wanted to do this because this be feeling so pampering and just luxurious and very feminine and relaxing and just like, oh, bitch, I could breathe. You know what I mean? Like, period.